Hello YouTube, welcome to another vlog. We are in Punjab right now. This is Rama Mandi location and we are heading towards Bhatinda. So let's get started. It's a beautiful day and I'm heading towards Bhatinda Fort. As my colleague suggested, he's from Punjab. He resides in Rama Mandi itself. So he said that this is quite a tourist attraction. We'll be going, Bhatinda Fort. Also, I'll be seeing Gurdwara near the place and roaming through the streets of Bhatinda. I hope it is going to be a pleasant ride. I see not a lot of people take rules seriously over here in terms of helmets and all. But let's see, new place, new rules. Let's see how things go.
Found yourself a way out of this small town. Got a place at school you didn't hang around. Every day.
Sort of, I am also not following this rule. That is, no mirrors are mounted on this bike. But since I borrowed this bike from one of my juniors, so I can't complain much. Because he was kind enough to at least give me the bike and nothing much was available, so I went with this thing.
These years we pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here after all this time. For the first time in the back of your car, we passed out counting stars. Promise all these years we pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here. Try to replace you with somebody out there.
If I didn't chase you, would you even care?
And if I lost my mind, would you come around? I will keep you safe and sound after all this time.
A short tea break is required, so I'm gonna have some tea and head back on the road ASAP. This is exactly what I was trying to say when I was saying people are not much serious about the rules over here. This guy was without an helmet, was wearing an earphone and casually changing songs, or I don't know, was taking some calls. And people are not much bothered about having a helmet around their head. So yeah, I mean, it's not much of a safe city in terms of road accidents and all. We are almost at the destination now, just nearby. Gonna have some Amritsari kulcha and then go to the fort. So हम पहुंच गए हैं बठिंडा फोर्ट और बहुत ही बढ़िया जगह है. जस्ट गेट क्रॉस किया है मैंने और अभी से ही मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि आई एम लाइकिंग दिस प्लेस. A lot of vintage feel is there in terms of the gate, the structure.
Make up for all of my mistakes.
So now I am heading towards Gurdwara. It's an old Gurdwara. इसके बारे में काफ़ी सुना है मैंने. And let's check that place out as well. Look at the structure. It's so breathtaking. I mean, it's so beautiful to look at.
Finally tired of all the standby. Never said that I was perfect, but I'm willing to try. Let me show you what I'm made of. I am so.
Of course कुछ pictures तो बनते हैं इतनी खूबसूरत जगह के साथ. So here are some of my pictures at Bathinda Fort. Ready to head back to Rama. It was quite a good visit. बहुत बढ़िया सी जगह थी. गुरुद्वारा भी हो आए हम और एक पुरानी सी विंटेज सी फील लेकर यहाँ से अलविदा ले रहे हैं. सो द पीपल हियर आर रियली नाइस, रियली हेल्पफुल एंड क्वाइट वार्म एंड वेलकमिंग. सो दैट आई रियली लव अबाउट पंजाब. And even the guards were really nice. I mean, I of course asked them for permission to shoot the video, and he was like, yeah, you can go ahead and shoot. So I'm heading back to my hotel. It was quite a good ride in Punjab, and visit was also good. This I must say, Bullet ज़्यादातर मैंने चलाया नहीं है. I'd say this is the first time I'm taking Royal Enfield for such a long tour, say 70-80 kilometers, and I loved it for 70-80 kilometers. If you would have suggested me to take this on a longer route, I would have literally told that I would take something much more comfortable with less vibration. I was not a big fan of the vibration what Royal Enfield gives. And which is why, I mean, it feels nice, and some people would say royal to enjoy this ride, slow and with the loud sound of the thumb, but not on a highway when you are trying to cover much higher distance. So yeah, that's basically my opinion, and yeah, I'm entitled to it. But there are people who take this thing to Ladakh, who have achieved a lot of roads on this thing. So it can be achieved if you have the will for it.
Let me go, it's my time. Watch me build another life. Find another space, explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind. Hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away, we won't see another day. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go. It's a new adventure. On a new adventure. You'll find me dancing on my own. Nowhere to be, nowhere to go. In the rhythm I don't think of you. Don't call me up when you're feeling blue. You'll find me dancing on my own. Nowhere to be, nowhere to go. In the rhythm I don't think of you. Let me go. It's a new adventure.
So that would be all for today. We are back from Bathinda, of course, and it was a pleasant ride. I enjoyed it a lot. Got to know a lot about people in Punjab, the rules in Punjab, and it was an education. And I hope you all liked the video as well. So yeah, I've reached my destination near my hotel. Till this is the last video of Punjab, right? So the next adventure might be in Bangalore. So the Bangalore videos will be out soon as well. Till then, take care, ride safe, always wear a helmet.